everyone, it's Elaine, and it is a hot day here in Georgia. This past weekend, I went over to Mississippi to hang out with my buddy Kathy. They were having one of those 100-mile yard sales, and she had a lot of things that she needed to get rid of. Nope, I'm not showing you my studio because of that. What I am going to tell you is a little trick that someone shared with us while we were there. So let me scan on over here. What it was is the lady had purchased some old salt and pepper shakers from Kathy, kind of like that. And then what she did, let me reach over here, I don't want to make you seasick. Then what she did is she took a Scentsy, or what she said she was going to do is take a piece of Scentsy, and it would go down into the salt and pepper shaker. And then, of course, she'd put the lid on it, and she would place that in her car. So just enough scent would come out, and if it should tip over, hopefully the wax would catch on the side of the salt or pepper shaker. But I really like that idea. It's not having one of those big old packets of something in your car that is smelly and it like overpowers you. I figured just to put it in like a small salt and pepper shaker would be like just enough to give you some air freshener. So anyway, that was my little tip. I've been really busy and haven't had a chance to sit down and do like a for real video on journaling. Hopefully next week, but not going to promise that either. Anyhow, find you an old salt and pepper shaker. You can buy them at Dollar Tree. And go find you some Scentsy or something thereabouts. And put a little air freshener in your car. Or in a closet. Or in just a little space. Anyhow, that's my little tip for today. I'm going to sign off. And I will hopefully catch you down the road. See you next time. Bye.